everyone, it's Nicole from Sydney English Teacher, and it's time for another tongue twister. Are you ready for this one? It's quite a funny sentence. She sees cheese. We would probably never say that. However, it's great pronunciation practice. So we're practicing the sh, the e, and the z sound, as well as the s. So quite a few there. Actually, also the ch. So lots of sounds there that we're practicing. Let's give it a go. She sees cheese. So you can see the first word is a sh. The second word is a s, and the e, z, the s, e, z. And the last one is a ch, e, z. Let's try it. She sees cheese. She sees cheese. She sees cheese. She sees cheese. Your turn. That's so good. She sees cheese. 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 Oh, that was fast. Your turn. Oh, well done. Fabulous. So I want you to practice that. It is a silly little sentence, I agree. However, it's really, really great for you isolating those difficult sh, s, ch, and z sounds. So she sees cheese. Have a great day, everyone. Thanks for listening, and come back again soon. Bye.